is for articulated truck. Articulated truck, bending in the middle as it drives. Swivel, swivel, articulated truck. B is for bulldozer. Bulldozer, pushing dirt with a mighty blade. Rumble, rumble, bulldozer. C is for crane. Sissy crane, lifting beams high in the sky. Up, crane. D is for digger. Diddy digger, digging deep into the ground. Scoop, scoop, digger. E is for excavator. Excavator, swinging its arm left and right. Dig, dig, excavator. Is for fire engine. Fire engine, with flashing lights and loud sirens. Nina, fire engine. T is for grader. Geeky grader, smoothing roads with the giant blade. Scrape, scrape, grader. H is for haul truck. Haul truck, carrying heavy loads up hills. Rumble, rumble, haul truck. I is for ice truck. Ice truck, keeping everything cold inside. Chill, chill, ice truck. J is for jet plane. To get to jet plane, flying fast above the clouds. Zoom, zoom, jet plane. Is for K loader. K loader, lifting crates with giant forks. Lift, lift, K loader. L is for loader. Loader, scooping rocks with the big bucket. Scoop, scoop, loader. M is for mixer truck. Mixer truck, turning concrete round and round. Spinning, spin, mixer truck. N is for narrow boat. Narrow boat, sailing slowly down the canal. Glide, glide, narrow boat. O is for oil truck. Ooh, oil truck, rolling safely with its tank full. Hum, hum, oil truck. P is for paver. Paver, spreading asphalt nice and smooth. Paver. Q is for quarry truck. Quarry truck, hauling rocks from deep pits. Crunch, crunch, quarry truck. R is for road roller. Road roller, flattening roads with heavy wheels. Road roller. S is for snowplow. S for snowplow, pushing snowy piles aside. Shove, shove, snowplow. T is for tanker. Tanker, carrying liquids everywhere. Slosh, slosh, tanker. U is for utility vehicle. Utility vehicle, helping workers fix the town. Work, utility vehicle. V is for van. Van, driving supplies from place to place. Zoom, zoom, van. W is for wrecking truck. Wrecking truck, swinging a big wrecking ball. Smash, smash, wrecking truck. X is for express train. Express train, racing down the track so fast.